Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to buy fractional shares on Sofi. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you gotta do is to open the Sofi app, or you can visit Sofi website and just log into your account using your email address and password. Next, you gotta click on the invest tab and then search for the stock that you want to buy fractional shares of. Just enter the stock symbol or company name to find it. Next, you gotta select this stock from the search results and then click on the buy button and select fractional shares as your investment type. Next, you want to set your investment amount, so you got to determine how much you want to invest in the stock and just enter the amount that you want to invest. Next, you got to review your investment details, including the stock symbol, investment amount, and any fees that's associated with that. And once that's done, just confirm your investment. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy fractional shares on Sofi. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.